I'm starting with a brown in the crease and outer corner, creating a V shape, and then softly blending that up towards the brow bone and the outer corner. I'm just slowly making little circular motions around the edges. I'm next adding a deeper brown to the outer corner and blending it into the previous shade. Just softly buffing the two colors together. I'm next adding a reddish brown to the lid and then softly buffing that into the crease and the outer corner, blending the shades together. Next, with the color from my crease, I'm adding that to the lower lash line and softly blending that downwards and then up towards the outer corner. Next, with a nude white shade, I'm adding it to the inner corner, blending into the brown and then the brow bone, blending that downwards. I'm next going in with eyeliner, creating the base of my wing, extending the line from my lower lash line, and then dragging it in towards the center. I'm slowly making the shape, filling it in, and then adding an inner corner wing. I'm next smoking that out with some black eyeshadow, just softly blending out that line. Next, I'm applying some mascara, and then I'll glue on some lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe down below. Bye!